This is the Lego jungle set.
Open it up. Unbox it.
Oh, okay.
That's a lot of bags.
So, fly back, so there's so many instructions. What the? Oh, God. Stickers, too. And there's also a scanning station if you want to scan the video.
Well, show us what's in the box.
In the box. Oh, everything is out. There's a bag. There's a number on it. Oh, this is bag 2. Bag 3. Here's the instructions. Bag 1. Bag 1. Bag 7. Bag 5. Bag 4. Bag. And also the instructions. The stickers and the instructions. There's 2 mini instructions. One for the helicopter, one for the duck.
Why don't you bring the box over and we'll see what the set is supposed to look like. Lay it on the floor. Okay. Wait, what are the ages it's this for?
8 and up?
8 to 12.
Oh, 8 to 12.
Uh-oh, you're only 5 and a half. Are you sure you're going to be able to do that?
Yeah.
I think you will. Okay, let's see the back of the box. Wow, that's pretty good.
This to that. Look at, if you pull that, so like that. Which one do you start with? I don't know, just grab all the... Oh yeah! Bag 5 you start with for this.
Okay, cut it open. Pick your building areas so you don't mix up the pieces.
Building area, so get out of here, Roger.
Hey, that's not nice, Tice.
But then, what's in here? We're gonna mix up pieces. So you get away. No, I'm not. You are. You're not. What's this? Hey, a rubber band. Wait, come back to rubber band. I wonder why I need a rubber band. Oh, there's lots of sets with rubber band. We just have one set with rubber band.
All right, get building, you guys.
I need to open my other packs. Yep, this says you. Oh my God! You wanted the base plate and these 2.
Okie dokie, artichoke. How's it going?
Good.
Let me see what you've done so far.
It says I need to do this again.
Oh, Tice, that's pretty good.
Look at the other stuff. Look at this monster.
What is it? Show me. It's a
Scary plant.
man-eating plant.
The scary plant.
And then the whole chassis to the vehicle. And Tice has a structure for a cave, it looks like.
Yeah. 8.
I think you guys need a snack.
Thank you.
Ho, 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 ho. Santa Claus chocolate. Oh, reach further. Oh. Did you just throw that on the floor? You think that's the place that it should go? Why don't you hand it to me?
Hand to the camera.
You're hilarious. Thank you. You guys are doing great.
Wait, oh, there's my duck.
It's a duck.
This is for the helicopter. This guy's holding the ranch for this guy since he's driving. This can be turned.
That looks cool. And Tice, what's she building? That looks like
Something that I would not know.
a river, maybe. Let's look at the box. What is it?
It's this whole thing.
Oh, it's the whole mountain and ruins and everything.
Yeah, I'm building.
Okay.
It's on.
Yeah, it's on. The camera's on.
This is how far I got.
That's pretty good. That's the second vehicle.
Yeah, I don't know which way it charges.
And That's the first vehicle.
Okay. Yeah.
And Tice, you want to show us yours?
Yep. Well,
Turn it around so we can see.
this is the trap part, so.
That's pretty good.
You pull this, then that comes out. But we always, not by accident, when you push back and then it comes back up.
Oh, it's a trap door?
Yeah, and this is supposed to shoot a rock. I'm gonna build the
So
rock.
it's like a catapult. Can you turn it so that the camera can see?
And this is gonna be for when after dinner, so I'm gonna build the rock.
Okay, Vata, show me your new vehicle.
You're actually finished. You're actually finished. Well, you're actually finished. Oh,
Is anything open or close on it?
You
It looks
still
like
gotta
the
do
arm
this.
moves in the back.
Still need to put in the weapons at the side. And
You mean the
put on the
Yep.
motorcycle.
wait, I put somebody in.
This is gonna be cool. It's gonna be just like Indiana Jones.
Wait.
How's it going, Tice? What part are you working on?
Different part. I will finish this part.
That looks great though. So which part is it, do you think? I
I
think
don't
it's
know.
this part. Oops. This
Oh, yeah, it is.
Which would be the haunted cave, maybe?
It's a cave.
Yeah.
Oh, soon. Oh,
I think this
the
is the part
last
with,
bag. The last bag is gonna be the top of it.
which
the
looks
top
like the
is-
crashed airplane.
Yep, it is the grass airplane.
That's awesome. Ah, what you working on?
I'm working on these little things for there.
Is that a helicopter?
Yeah, the helicopter.
Yeah. It's really cool.
Sorry, I didn't know.
It's almost complete. Just one more bag to go. But it's time for a bath. Show them. Show what you've built.
This is a little lost temple. If you pull this, the rock falls down.
Like a little crane here on the back of this vehicle. It's the duck. If you know what duck is, if you know what a duck is, leave it in the comments below.
I don't think this guy's safe. Ah! Ah!
Doctor, why don't you tell them what a duck is?
A duck is a car and a boat.
It goes in the water and it drives.
Yeah, that's why it's called a duck, since ducks can go in the water and it can go on land. There's a little... Hey, what's the gem doing there? What's the gem doing there? Little gem.
Okay. What's the story that you're gonna have?
Oh, the chicken in his mouth. I hate chicken.
You know what we should do after we're finished?
What?
Make a stop motion movie of it.
Yeah.
Do you think that's a good idea?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna eat the camera. Our chicken.
Alright.
What do you hear?
Are you guys ready? Are you ready to take a bath?
No, we're not taking a bath right now.
What is this?
Why?
What is this animal?
I think it's a leopard. Is that a leopard? Everyone, you think that's a leopard? It's a leopard on the floor? Not so close, Tice. Not so close. All of these kits were in the box. Right?
Yeah.
We're finally done. How long do you think it took?
But maybe like 50 hours.
59 minutes.
50, I think you're both a little off. It was probably about 3 hours, but you're 5.5. So I'd say that's pretty good. You did most of it yourself. Why don't you show what everything does?
Here's a trap door. And let's turn this around. Wait, let me get it back. If you pull that,
This is
this
is
trap
not part of it.
door. This trap door. If you pull that, this trap door opens.
Wow.
Wait, let me show you how it works.
and then it goes
And
behind.
it rolls out from over here. Oh, one more thing. You have to turn this. Look at there. That's where like a little animal is. If you push this, this happens. Hi. Oh wait, is he out? Oh, let me try that again. That's not good. Let's try that again. Rah!
Whoa.
This bird was annoying.
Oh, naughty. Oops. I'm taking that.
That's awesome. I'm gonna put it there.
Hi guys, can I take your picture?
Oh, you're right again.
You look marvelous.
No. Nobody's in it, you know.
Ah, there's no pilot.
Whoa.
It's a giant ball, just like in Indiana Jones. You broke the camera with the giant ball, rock ball. Is that a circus now?
No, he's running away from the tiger. Or the leopard.
All right, you guys. Say hi or say bye.
Bye.
Bye.